So it's Monday. We're kicking off this vlog on a day off, actually. It's Labor Day, so no work, which is nice. And I'm taking advantage of sticking around DC and laying low this Labor Day weekend and potentially finding some sales and deals. I'm continuing my saga of attempting to finish my apartment. And by finish, I mean like make some progress on it. It's probably not gonna be done maybe ever until I move out. But I really wanna like actually decorate it and find furniture for pieces that I said I was going to when I first moved in and just didn't. So that's my weekend mission. If you saw my last vlog, I talked about it more and like went in depth of what I'm thinking for particular spots. And now I'm gonna head to Home Goods, I think. I think that's like next to Marshall's and TJ Maxx potentially. So I'm hoping they have some like Labor Day deals. I'm pretty sure they have normal hours and hopefully I get some good finds. But since I don't have a car, I might Uber back if I find something like big or heavy or annoying to take on the train. But otherwise I'm just gonna bring a couple like reusable bags. I don't really think I need any prints. I ordered some online. I have something coming for this wall that I ordered yesterday that I think will be really nice. Finally, besides this like blank wall in the background, we'll have something. I'm looking for lighting, lamps, decorative lights, vases. I don't know, just little things that speak to me. So let's go grab the train. We're going to Potomac Yard Center, I think is where it's called. I just wanted to start my weekly vlog and figured since it was a holiday, I would include some of my Labor Day shopping in case I find something fun to share. And then we'll get into the work week tomorrow. Sifting through the like tackiest stuff possible. There's a candlestick. It's not bad. Okay, just got out of the shower and I'm putting in my products and I wanted to share with you guys a new product that just came out from Scene, who is sponsoring this video, and I absolutely love them. I've been using their products for months, probably over a year at this point. I just really resonate with their whole mission, approach to their products, their design, because they're all about the link between hair care and skincare. And as someone who has extremely sensitive, eczema-prone skin, I'm really all about making sure every product I put on my body is sensitive to that. It is not going to make it worse. And Scene is all about just that. So Scene was developed by a Harvard-trained dermatologist, Dr. Iris Rubin, to really pay attention to those skincare effects from hair care, because your hair care products are quite literally directly touching your skin, scalp, all around. And the products were designed to be non-comedogenic and safe for sensitive skin. You've probably heard me talk about their Magic Serum, which I use all the time, and shampoo and conditioner. I love all the products I've tried from them. And this is a new one, the leave-in conditioner for all hair types. Basically, your hair is damp, wet, out of the shower. I already put it in, but you just kind of squirt it onto your hand and work it into your hair and leave it, and it conditions so nicely. Also, in addition to having like that good effect for your skin, they're just great hair products overall. This product is designed to hydrate, smooth, strengthen, and nourish your hair. It's also a heat protectant up to 450 degrees, which is super important for me. I do be using heat on my hair sometimes. And it has UV protection, and it is color safe. Safe for sensitive skin, acne prone skin. It's non-comedogenic, it's non-irritating, and it's also fragrance free. Not only is it good for your skin, but it also has proven results for your hair. It's shown to reduce frizz by 69% and reduce hair breakage by up to 76% after a single use. Highly recommend checking out this new product and also just all of the different products in their line. I'll have a link down below to check out helloscene.com. So definitely go check out this new leave-in conditioner from Scene and shop all their other products. You can get 20% off with my code Kristee20. I'll have the link down below for helloscene.com where you can get 20% off with the code Kristee20. And put a little bit of makeup on while I was towel drying my hair. So now it's not completely soaking, it's just damp, because you're supposed to apply it to towel dried or damp hair and comb it through. So I'm just gonna put some on my hand and just work this in, concentrating it on the bottom half, but also like working in some up. A wet brush, just gonna brush it through and then I'll have heat protection for when I quickly blow dry. The hair is so smooth and easy to comb through while wet with just this in it. I love the finish and the little shine that the leave-in conditioner gave. Okay, I feel like this was a moderate success. I did find some stuff, all little things, nothing major, and nothing like life-changing, but I got a few candles. I don't know how they're actually gonna look in here because it's always hard when you're in the store and you're next to all these like ugly things and you find something that you're like, wait, maybe. And then when you actually put it, or you see it when you're at home, you're like, this is not that great. It was just like the comparison issue, but whatever. First of all, not that exciting. Dish brush. I went to TJ Maxx after Home Goods and I always forget, like, those are the best places to get cleaning stuff. This is the first of many of these. I got 2 of these, the white candlestick holders. So they were $6.99 at TJ Maxx. They're pretty lightweight. They're like a matte ivory and they got some visual interest to them. I think these might go, I think the light will look better on my dresser that's a bit darker in the bedroom. So I'm gonna do these 2, I think. And here's the other one, a matching set of these. Nice. I almost got black ones, but I think they were marketed as like Halloween candle holders and I was like, I don't know. This one was also TJ Maxx, I think. And yeah, this is $5.99. And it's kind of like this brushed gold. This is the only one I got like this, but I thought I could mix and match with some other ones that I got. Oh, this was so fucking random. I got a globe. I don't know, I was like, this kind of could be tacky, but I feel like I actually like the way this one's put together. It's like wood and black hardware and it's a dark globe, and I have a lot of dark touches in my apartment. I'm also thinking once I get some sort of storage unit to go in the corner in the living room here, it's gonna have a couple exposed shelves is what I'm envisioning. So I'm gonna need something to like put up there for decoration anyway. So I thought this was kind of cute. I like the globe. I got an asymmetrical pair of candle holders because I wanted some that were at different heights to add some visual interest. So this one's a circle and this one's an oval. I think they're in the same line from the same company. So kind of like stacked like this, brushed gold. And these were Home Goods, by the way. I'm kind of like jumping back and forth. I think that might be everything from TJ Maxx. I got this little candle because it was only $2 on sale, on clearance. And I thought that this would look nice on a shelf somewhere. So like this cool textured gray, warm gray. And I probably won't burn this, but just for a decor. Snip. Ta-da! Is a light bulb that came with a lamp. I forgot I got a lamp too, which is exciting. I've been looking for more easy, lightweight tabletop kind of lamps because I just need more lighting, as I mentioned. And I got a new floor lamp last week, so I want this, I think, for my bedroom. The only light in my bedroom right now is bedside lamps on both sides, and the light switch by the door is attached to an outlet that's also right by the door. So I want to have something plugged into it so I can actually use that and like balance out the light so it's not just at the bedside. It's only 24 bucks, which I thought was good. And it's just like this textured white. And again, this will look nice on my dark dresser. I didn't get a shade for it because I didn't like the ones I had. For now, it's shadeless, but we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. And then to go in all of these various candlesticks, I got a pack. I love these like different textures and shades. I know that TJ Maxx is probably not even the best place to get these because I see them. They're so much more fun at like specialty gift shops and stuff, but these were a good deal. This pack was $7. They're both $7. $7.99 actually, so 8. So I got a pack of this like rosy neutral twisted ones. Yeah, oh, they're so pretty. They're kind of pink, but like kind of neutral. I thought these would look really good in the gold. What do we think? I got a pack of sage colored ones. I think these will look nice in my bedroom with these white candlesticks. So let's try them out. We'll jostle this a little bit, but I think that's really cute. Okay. Well, that's everything I got. I'd say success. I'm gonna play around with like placement of things and just kind of throwing these where I think they'll look good, and then I'm sure things will change. Now it's like 5 p.m. I'm gonna put this stuff away and go get a workout in before I have dinner and shower and get ready for my week to actually start after this lovely 3-day weekend. I put the candles here because I think they match that little picture. Again, not gonna stay there likely. I think they look nice with the pink and gold, and I think they look good together, but I'm also like, is that a lot for this tiny table for the time being? So I'm kind of like, maybe I can move one over here to have by the TV, because it kind of matches with this a bit. The candlesticks, I split them, one on each side of the mirror, which I think looks nice. I don't know, they looked weird next to each other, so whatever. And then I put the lamp there. It does look sad and bald without a shade, but at least now I can use my switch light like I said, and it does give a decent amount of light, and it'll balance it out when those other lights are on. All of these like ivory touches look good together here. I'm gonna throw on a workout top with this and run out of the gym, get a quick workout in. Good morning, it's the next day, Tuesday, and I'm getting ready to head into the office. I'm wearing a bodysuit, black pants, this little cardigan. It's actually gonna be a little bit cooler today, I think. I think it's like in the 60s right now. Okay, I prepared my lunch last night. It's like a Mediterranean bowl with chicken, rice, and then in here is like cucumber, tomato, tzatziki, hummus. I actually probably should run because I have a meeting that starts in 35 minutes. I feel like this morning really got away from me, and I thought I had so much time, and I looked up and I had used it all somehow. Let's hit the road. Good morning, it's now Thursday, and I don't think I really vlogged anything yesterday. I think you can hear it in my voice, and I just like feel not good. I woke up like this over a week ago where my throat felt scratchy and I was congested and like sneezing a lot. And at first I was like, oh, I must be getting sick, like some sort of cold, so I didn't go into the office. The next few days after that, it would come and go. Like I would wake up and feel so much better, and I was like, oh, okay, that was just like a weird thing. And then it came back, and then finally I'm like, my eyes are kind of bothering me. I'm like, this could be allergies because it's still here a week later. So I looked it up, and there's like a ton of ragweed. I don't even know what that is. Talked about this in the spring, but I had such bad allergies this spring. And when I lived in New York, I never had seasonal allergies. It never really bothered me. Maybe my asthma would be more sensitive at some points, but like not nearly like anything like this. And now living here, I'm really feeling it, and I didn't even know fall had an allergy season, but apparently, yes, there's like a lot of grass pollen or ragweed, whatever it is. But I'm feeling it, and I'm just like, ugh. So I took an allergy pill this morning. Don't really think it's doing anything. If anyone else has seasonal allergies, I feel you, because it's miserable and it's like so distracting from your day to day. But like, I'm not sick. I do want to go into the office for a little bit. I don't think many people are going to be there today. But I do have to have a couple like touch bases in person, so I might just go for a half day and then come back. But yeah, I'm wearing comfy office clothes. This is definitely very casual, but again, this I got in my newly, it's like the, I think this is Free People, oversized like collared shirt, and I'm wearing it with my Pilcro pants. Yeah, it's gonna be another beautiful day, almost 80 degrees. I'm gonna go catch the bus and pray that today's a little better on the allergy front later on. I'm back home, and look what came. This is the canvas print that I got to go behind the couch here. Got some bubble wrap. Okay, here we go. Oh, she's beauty and she's grace. I really like this. It's actually darker than I was expecting, but I think it's like a nice contrast against the very wide white wall. And it says any wrinkles will kind of like fall out after a week or so of hanging it, and measure it out. But yeah, I like it a lot. I really like the watercolor kind of design. You can see it up close more. And the brush strokes beautiful, beautiful. This is the Etsy shop where I got it. RMG tapestry. It's pretty much exactly how I pictured it. Okay, I have measured and marked where I think the nails should be to hang this guy up. So if we put that there, oh, where is it? That's what it looks like. I think it's crooked. Okay, this thing has a level on it. That looks better. Look at her. That looks so nice. It adds a lot to the wall. I really like this. So I'll have this link down below and you can browse the shop on Etsy. They have a lot of really cute designs. I got a similar one to put in my kitchen on that wall. Not similar to the print, but that same style, except vertical with a canvas and the two wooden pieces. So I think that'll be nice and also good in case the fridge hits it. It's just canvas. I'm trying to see it from all the angles now. That adds a lot to this living space. Good morning. Jump scare. I'm starting off my Friday morning with a routine of my 10-minute red light mask. I think it's about to go off because it's been about 10 minutes. And reading, and now I'm going to pour myself some coffee before I log on and start my remote work day. I've been drinking cold brew at home recently and loving it. Also, this mask, I don't remember if it was this vlog or the last one where I unboxed this, but I've been using the Current Body red light mask for the last like week or so since I got it, instead of the one that I bought before. And this one is so much easier to like function normally, and obviously you still notice it. Hard not to, but I can like walk around and do tasks in my home instead of being forced to sit still with my head back with the other one. But now I'm multitasking. Okay, some Stoke cold brew. This is pretty much empty, so I'll have to open a new guy. And she's off. Also, this one holds so much more of a charge with every single charge. Honestly, might just like walk around with it on my chest for a bit too, because I don't have like the décolletage piece, but it's still good to put red light on your neck and chest. Ta-da! Look at her, she looks so cute. The next morning, well, it's not really morning now, it's noon. I'm just about to head down to the gym and get a quick lunchtime workout in. I'm gonna do just like some cardio and some light weights. It's like 12:30 now, so I'll go run down there, get a little movement in, get some steps in on the treadmill, and then come back up and shower and finish the rest of my work day. I've actually had a really productive morning working from my desk, and hopefully I'll have like knocked some more things out of my to-do list this afternoon before I'm going to happy hour drinks later. Got a good sweat in. Now, quick shower before I get back to my desk. What's up, Belle? It's the end of the workday now. I'm getting ready to head out and meet a friend for happy hour drinks. We're going to 60 Vines in Foggy Bottom, which is relatively new, I think. It's a wine bar and it looks really cute. I think it's like 80 degrees out, and I'm wearing jeans. These are American Eagle flare jeans. And this top, which is from my Nuuly, I think I'm gonna end up sending my Nuuly back this week so I can get new stuff for my trip the following week. I can't believe it's come up so quickly. I'm going to Mallorca, like I've said, for a friend's wedding, so it's going to be a big deal, and I haven't even thought about what I'm packing and bringing and all that. So while I can, I'm wearing this from my Nuuly so that I can send it back. Jeans have this little crisscross waist. Let's go have a nice little glass of wine and chill out. I feel like this week has honestly kind of flown by in a way, which is good, but I'm definitely ready for the weekend and to like turn off my work brain for a bit and chill out.